think there's some badness going on in here. Oh, maybe not. What's happening in here? I see that you moved your footstool. You okay, Poop Poop? You're gonna pull Mom's pants down, don't. Oh, were you trying to put a tutu on? Honey, that's your crib blanket. Did you pull it down? You can't take that out of your bedroom. That's your comforter. Yeah, I know. Peach came into play. That's your kitty cat. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. Are you following the kitty cat? I don't think that Peachy likes you, honey. You think it's pretty funny whenever Peachy comes around, you do your big laugh. Be careful under there. Oh, you found a little treat on the floor? Little dirt? Little dirt. Yeah, no. No. Look what you did. You scared the kitty. Found another treat on the floor? Trying to tell Mommy she needs to vacuum? I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. No, your treat's better? I'm gonna get ya. Are you chasing the kitty? There goes the kitty up there. I'm gonna get ya. You better run. You better run. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come, Boo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Want to go under the drapes? Peekaboo. You think Mom can't see you? Oh, you can take a toy? Peekaboo. What are you gonna eat now? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hey! That's my boo. No wonder they all laugh. I'm just like a woolly bear. Please clean me before Toby comes. Gotta go through Mommy's legs. Yeah. Gotcha! Gotcha! You're not getting through. Again? Instead of talking about sensible things like playing ghosts, Thomas and Toby made
Gotcha!
about woolly bear caterpillars
other creatures which crawl about in hay.
No more. Mommy's gonna turn the camera off.
Really being
Say bye-bye, Boo Bear.
indeed.
Boo Bear. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Boo Bear. Boo. Bye. Oh, you want to come up here? Boo. Boo Boo. Boo Bear.